Say bye, Glacier, West Glacier KOA. KOA. We had fun.
We just found some Idaho spuds. Yeah, found that. So we got a few of those. Then I got this. I don't know. New things to us. We're gonna try them out.
First time in Idaho.
First time in Idaho, and kind of beautiful. We just arrived here today, checked in kind of about 3 o'clock, and yeah, we'll show you guys around. There's a dump station. Might have to use that tomorrow, we'll see. Swimming pool, pretty nice. This is the office here. We got some hotels, some rooms. They got a few different things here. Yeah, options to stay. They have a few different options, I guess. Playground for the kids. This is our site that we got. You pull all the way around and go into here. It's pretty nice. I don't know if they have full hookups. If they do, they'd probably be in the back. Ours just has electric and water. They do have Wi-Fi. It's a good stop for the day, I think.
For the night.
For the night. I wouldn't spend more than 2 nights there.
And then it was raining when we pulled in, so there was a little bit of mud, and it I mean, there's not a lot of gravel there. So like an overnight stay wouldn't be too bad if you're just stopping, like a stopping point just to spend the night and rest your head. But keep watching and like, follow, and subscribe.